Look, here's a step that a lot of people skip. Quick question. If I put these cigars in front of you right now, could you tell which one is a good cigar and which one is going to disappoint you? Well, most people can't, and that is totally normal. So, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 biggest signs that separate good cigars from mediocre ones. We're going to be talking about how a cigar looks, how it feels, the draw, the burn, and finally, the taste. If you're new to cigars, this is going to help you avoid bad smokes. If you've been smoking for years, you might start checking cigars a little differently after this. Let's start with the first sign that everyone notices, the look. Before you even touch the cigar, the wrapper is already telling you a lot. A good cigar usually has a wrapper that looks smooth, slightly oily, and even in color. It doesn't have to be perfect. Cigars are handmade, but it should look alive, not dry or dusty. A bad or mediocre cigar often shows warning signs: cracks, flaking wrapper, large raised veins or dry spots. Here's an expert tip. Small color variations are totally fine, especially on natural wrappers, but deep cracks or peeling seams almost always lead to burn problems later. Appearance matters because the wrapper controls how the cigar burns and how flavors develop. The feel and construction. Now, pick the cigar up. Gently squeeze it between your fingers. A well-made cigar should really feel firm and have a slight, even give. What you don't want are hard knots or soft, empty spots. Soft spots usually mean poor rolling or uneven filler, and that almost always turns into a bad draw or an uneven burn. Expert tip: roll the cigar slowly between your fingers and your hands can feel construction problems before your mouth ever does. Before you ever touch a flame, then you need to take a gentle puff. A good draw feels smooth, it feels easy, and it might just have a little bit of resistance. If it's too loose, the cigar is going to burn hot and fast. If it's too tight, you'll struggle the entire smoke, and flavors, they're not going to open up. And this one step alone can tell you if a cigar is worth lighting or if you should maybe save it for later. Oh, by the way, if this is helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We post cigar education, honest advice, and real-world tips. No fluff, no hype. All right, let's keep it going. Once lit, the burn tells the truth fast. A good cigar burns mostly straight or slightly wavy with a solid ash that holds for a bit. A bad cigar often canoes, tunnels, or needs constant touch-ups. Now, important note, one uneven burn doesn't mean the cigar is trash. Wind, lighting mistakes, or rushing can cause issues. Expert tip: if the burn keeps correcting itself, that's actually good construction. If it keeps fighting you, that's the cigar, not you. Ash color also matters. Clean gray or light ash usually signals proper fermentation. A good cigar doesn't just taste strong or mild, it has layers. Flavors evolve from the first third to the finish. From cream to wood, nuts to spice, coffee to cocoa. The smoke feels smooth, not sharp. A bad cigar? Flat, harsh, bitter, or, hot on the tongue. And here's an important reminder: strength is not the same as harshness. A full-bodied cigar can still be elegant and balanced. Harshness usually means poor fermentation, bad construction, or rushed smoking. Here's a quick checklist that you can use anytime before lighting a cigar. Always check the wrapper, no cracks or dryness. The feel, even firmness. The draw, smooth airflow. The foot, clean, evenly packed tobacco. And one last thing, small flaws don't always ruin a cigar. Some of the best smokes I've ever had weren't perfect on the outside. The key is knowing which flaws matter and which ones don't. So the next time a cigar disappoints you, don't just blame your taste. Check the signs: the look, the feel, the draw, the burn, and the taste. Once you learn to read them, you're going to avoid bad cigars and enjoy good ones way more. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a cigar that looked great but smoked terribly? Or the opposite? Drop your experiences in the comments and I'll see you in the next smoke.